Welcome to AI Factory. Today's tutorial introduces an incredible text-to-image AI tool. Users can generate unlimited images daily, all for free, with no need to sign up. Isn't that amazing? It's an excellent option for those interested in AI image generation without any cost. The website link is in the description below the video, so feel free to check it out. Additionally, I cover numerous free AI image generators, AI techniques, and monetizing ideas using free AI tools on my channel. Feel free to visit and learn more. Perchance.org features a user-friendly interface and intuitive design, offering a customized experience for generating text-based images. You don't need to sign in to create images. However, if you choose to sign in using the button in the upper right corner, you can build your own gallery to save all your images. I used it directly without signing in and found its interface very simple and intuitive. The large text box in the middle is for writing your prompt. The anti-description section is for specifying elements you don't want in the image, essentially for negative prompts. The Art Style drop-down menu offers many options. If you select Anime as your art style, the Add Style drop-down menu will provide various anime styles, and the Add Effect menu will offer effects for anime style. These options depend on your prompt and chosen art style. If you select Cinematic as your art style, in addition to Add Style and Add Effect, you'll also have Add Color and Add Genre options to make your image more specific, such as different angle shots, monochrome, soft focus, horror, etc. It boasts an impressive array of over 60 art styles, ranging from painted anime to casual photo, concept art to 3D and 2D Disney, painterly to oil painting, fantasy portrait to cute anime, furry oil to 50s enamel sign, 1990s photo to watercolor, old world map to cute 3D icon, cursed photo to tattoo design. In short, it offers one of the most extensive collections of stock styles available. There are 3 image ratios: portrait, square, and landscape. You can choose to generate 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, or even 30 images at a time. Imagine the excitement of generating 30 images at once, and you can do it as many times as you want for free. This should definitely be the first bookmark in your list of AI tools. Let's generate some images. Here's my prompt: a highly detailed, photorealistic image of a beautiful girl capturing a selfie on a bustling street in Tokyo. Keep all settings as they are, hit generate, and wait a few seconds. It will give you 6 HD anime-style images. Very good, I like it very much. To download the images, click on the heart icon in the lower left corner. A window will pop up. Since I didn't sign in and don't have my own gallery, I just click Save to your device to download the images. If you're like me and don't want to sign in or create a gallery but still want to store information about your generated images, click this icon to open a new window with the detailed prompt and negative prompt. The system will automatically generate a detailed prompt for your image. Copy those prompts and paste them to your local computer for your next generation. Even without my own gallery, I can still view others' artwork. By clicking the heart icon, a window opens where I can access the gallery and view all the artwork from other users. If I find one I like, I can download it or see the details of the prompt. I can then copy the prompt, paste it, and generate the image myself. It's pretty simple and the images are very nice. Let's switch to a cinematic style prompt. Some images are good, but some are odd. Regenerate and save the good ones. This time, use a more detailed and complex prompt in the cinematic style. Generate again. Wow, nice images. Except the photo exposure time is a bit long, making them look a bit bright. They are good to download. I want to save the detailed image prompt and negative prompt. Next, let's use the same prompt in a digital painting style. Some images are very nice, so save them. Now try the 3D Disney character style. They look cute. Let's move on to the Studio Ghibli style. The girl looks fine, but the cat is a bit off. Regenerate to fix the cat. Since this tool offers unlimited free image generation, you can create as many images as you want until you're satisfied. I don't spend much time on it. Now, let's change the style to 1960s photo. The results are surprising. They look like professional, realistic photos. I really love using it. You should try it too. Compared to other image generators like Leonardo AI or Midjourney, this tool generates high-quality, clear, and multi-style pictures. Plus, it's completely free and unlimited. Isn't it a more cost-effective tool? It's definitely worth having. If you enjoyed my video and found it helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you at the next one.